Hi everyone and welcome back. I just wanted to give you a quick update on Bitcoin. In the last video we have talked about the macro levels and the bigger picture. So if you haven't seen it yet, I will link it for you. And the idea was that we have topped in a larger fifth wave here to the upside and that we are coming down now in a A, B, C correction to the downside. In a more bearish interpretation, I can count this move to the downside in a 5-wave structure. Not now yet. It's not my preferred one, but in the red scenario, we are looking here for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would give us a deeper pullback. But as I said, it's currently not my preferred view. My preferred view is that we see at least one more low in the yellow C wave. And when we jump onto the 4-hour chart, we can see, because C waves are always in 5 waves, that we should see at least one more low in 1, 2, 3, and that we are now in the 4th wave, and then see afterwards 5th waves in the yellow C wave to the downside. And this would, and from there on, I would look for a B wave bounce in yellow, a larger B wave bounce, which could bring us to 100K or above, or maybe to the all-time highs, but we have to take it level by level. But in the red scenario, we need to get prepared. This is why I have it on the chart, just to keep that in mind. If we reach the area here at 52,699, we will fulfill the requirements for a third wave to the downside, and that would mean that we get a 4-5 pattern afterwards. But as I said, this is not my preferred scenario. My preferred scenario is that we are currently in the yellow 4th wave, as long as we stay below the 77,493, and that we now see a pullback in the 5th wave of C to the downside, and from there on we should see a larger bounce. The current structure, when we jump here into the 4th wave, in the potential 4th wave, I can count this one here in a wave, and that we saw a B wave in A, B, C in a B wave. And this move here is probably a 5-way structure in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C, and that we are coming then down afterwards. As long as we stay below this level, I'm looking for at least one more low. In the more bullish interpretation, we have found a bottom here, and then I would look here, I would count this one here as a wave 1, then A, B, C, and 2. And that we are now see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the 3rd of yellow, A, B, C, 4, and then the 5th wave to the upside. And then we're breaking above this level. This would give us a bottoming signal. We have 5 waves up, and then we will look for 3 waves down again. But this is not my preferred scenario. My preferred scenario is that this move here is an A, B, C, and that we get rejected again in this box and coming down in the 5th wave to the downside. If we now jump on the macro view or the weekly chart, we see we have still enough room here to the 200 weekly moving average. And we have talked in the last video about it, about the tests and the breaking below the 200 weekly moving average here. So, and this is in line with my preferred scenario. In an A, B, C, we probably see at least a test of the 200 weekly moving average or a break down below. And what's also interesting to watch is this area here, this wicks. They get mostly, or most of the time, they get bought off. So with the break of the 200 weekly moving average here, I'm looking here for a test of the 49,329 level. But we have to take it level by level. I will keep you updated. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.